Hi guys, I'm just doing a wiper blade replacement on my 2014 Focus, and sent away to Rock Auto and got them. These are Trico exact fit for the car. I get this thing and I pop this one off. These are pinch type fit onto the arm, and I get these out of the box and I said, geez, you can't pinch this. This is wrong. They sent me the wrong blades. No, double checked. No, these are the right blades. How the hell does you could pinch this and you know, and it locks in. You got a tab that goes under here, and you pinch this and just pull it up, and that's that. I can't pinch this. There is no. No, these are wrong. No, the methodology. These are the right blades. If you could see, this is dual purpose. This is for the push button, and it's also for the pinch. But there is no pinch because you mount these differently. You'll see. Take a good look at the wiper, the arm itself. This is the wiper, but the arm on the car, and this goes in first. This goes in first, and the instructions aren't really that clear, but this goes in first, and then you wind up with the tab on top here. You pull this back for the tab to snap in. The methodology is totally different from the way you mount these to the way you mount this, but it does go on. It isn't the wrong blade. I sat there for an hour trying to figure this the heck out of how this worked, and I'm looking at the instructions, and none of this is making sense to me because I'm thinking you can't pinch this. Well, you don't pinch it. It's not how this one mounts. This will go on where this came off. It's just you install this differently. Okay guys, so just to show you, see, this is the tab that I was talking about right here, and this is the pinch, you know, and you know the way you install this factory blade is you put that in, and then you pinch these, bang, you hear it snap, and it goes in. And like I said earlier, I got these pinched, and it's not cooperating. Pinch. Okay, so the way these go in, as you can see, this tab locks up under here, and these pinch, and it grabs over here. This little part here grabs this indentation here. That's how this works. Okay. Again, I'm looking for a pinch on the new mount. No, that's not how that one works. Okay, so now if you look at this guy here, that's the part you put in first, right there. And that goes right into here. See? And this is what I had. This was what was screwing me up. See how that fit in there? Okay? That goes in first. Then you come up to the top here. You see? You come over here to the top. Now those two are in position back there. You just take your finger and open this guy up and squeeze and push back down. There. Different methodology, but it works. It goes on this holder. And I had the damnedest time because I'm looking for a pinch point. These are wrong. These are wrong. No, these are right. Just different methodology. It's simple. Hope this video helps. Have fun, guys.